Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today, we will be looking at the F40CWX SS fluorescent tube from Sylvania. This rapid start linear fluorescent tube has a T12 shape, a medium Bipin G13 base, and is a part of the SuperSaver product line. It can also serve as a suitable replacement for the F40T12 RS lamps. This 48-inch tube has a wattage of 34 watts and a voltage range of 120 to 277 volts and an average life of 20,000 hours. With a color rendering index of 87 and a Kelvin temperature of 4100, this fluorescent tube from Sylvania gives off 1925 lumens of light, with a cool white color tone, making these ideal for applications in conference rooms, classrooms, and hospitals. You can order this product from Sylvania and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos every week.